Courgettes are the hardiest of the cucurbit family, and you can sow the seed for them now. Place 2 seeds on edge in a pot of peat-free compost. Cover them, water them, and keep them in a bright, warm place to germinate, and a south-facing windowsill will do the job fine. Now is the time to cut back penstemons, just as you start to see new growth emerging at the base of the plant. Now be brave, cut right back hard, removing all of last year's growth to let light and air into the new shoots. Annual climbers, such as Spanish flag or Corbea scandens that are grown from seed, will make a dramatic display in mid and late summer if sown now. Plant them into pots or plugs using a peat-free compost. Water them well, and then put them somewhere warm to germinate and grow them on, ready to plant out after the last frost.